Here we come to the elevators at the Edwards Greenway parking garage in Houston, Texas. Look at this elevator hallway lobby design. This is interesting. Anyways, there is music here, so oh, we got an elevator finally. We got this one right here. Let's take this one for a ride. All right, let's get inside quick. Finally get an update to take on this elevator. Despite these aren't long bar, but I'm willing to bet YouTube user BC's Vader would definitely love this, as he's a mascot for Schindler. This is an interesting cab. I think they redid the cab on these, I don't remember. It's been like literally 10 years since I came here. There's your phone. Look at this, got 3D sensor on there. Anyways, let's close the door back up because the music is playing, and here we go. We're gonna go ahead and switch on for a different elevator car this time. I figured why do a much detailed video of this. It's not every day you would find a high-rising Schindler MT traction. I think these are obviously mid-rise. Actually, I want to go to 3. Yeah, second floor is not the right place to end. Let's close the door back up before I get copyrighted. This is the right floor. Yep. Nice and quiet. Schindler MT. Which one did it ring? All right. Here's the other elevator car right here. There were people on it, so that's why I had to cut the video. I didn't want to get their face on camera. But here's the other elevator on the adjacent side. Little one. This is similar to the other elevators. These are your fixtures. Here's your phone with a missing door latch. I might go for one more ride. Man, the music is loud. I hope I don't get copyrighted. Schindler MT. This is definitely a much needed update to take on these elevators. I think we're gonna end it on 3 this time and head to the parking garage. Because I think if I remember correctly, I think they have some more elevators. I think those are the Montgomery elevators with the Innovation Security. I don't remember if I filmed that one or not. Like I said, it's not totally common to find a mid to high rising Schindler traction with MT fixtures. I like the 3D sensors they added on there. All right, there it goes, and that's it.